Namaste. Hamisha Khushro Bitia. Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss firearm injuries. Firearm injuries are injuries that are caused by firearms. So, firearm and ballistics. A firearm is any instrument which discharges a missile by the expansive force of the gases produced by burning of an explosive substance. Ballistic is the science of the motion of a projectile. Exterior ballistics is the study of motion of a projectile after it leaves the barrel of a firearm. Interior ballistic is the study of physiochemical phenomena within the firearm from the moment of detonation of primer to the time the projectile leaves the barrel. Right now, the classifications of firearm. These are classified as rifled weapons. In this, rifles, air and gas operated rifles, 0.22 bore rifles, military and sporting rifles. Second is single shot target practice pistol. Third is revolvers. Fourth is automatic pistol. And fifth one is true automatic weapons, machine gun. Second type of firearms are smooth bore weapons, shotguns. Sing- these are single barrel, double barrel, slide action, bolt action, semi automatic, and automatic. Bore. The bore is scored internally with a number of shallow spirals, grooves. It is varying 2 to more than 20, the most common being 6. Bore calculated in gauge or caliber means the diameter of the interior of the barrel of a firearm and is expressed in inches or in millimeter, for example 0.22 bore, 0.32, 0.38, etc. Or the number of lead balls, lead balls of size almost fitting the barrel of a shotgun, which can be made from 1 pound of lead, for example 12 bore, 16 bore, 20 bore, etc. Firearm. A firearm is a specialized device designed to propel a projectile by the expansive force of gases generated by a result of combustion of the propellant as its base in a closed space. This combustion results in building up of optimum pressure which forces the missile cut off the muzzle with sufficient velocity, resulting in firearm injuries. In general, a firearm consists of a barrel, action, and a grip or buttstock. Types of bullets. Bullets. The traditional bullet is made of soft metals and has a rounded nose. The metal is lead with varying amount of antimony added to provide hardness. This is known as the round nose soft bullet and is usually used in rifles and revolvers. The caliber of bullet is its cross-sectional diameter. In the revolver and pistol, the bullet is short and the elongated with pointed end. One is square nose soft metal bullets known as wet cutter and the used primarily for target shooting. Second is hollow point variety, has a depression in the nose of the soft metal. This bullet is designed to expand or mushroom upon impact. Jack bullets. Jack bullets are of two types. Jacketed bullets are of two types. The full metal jacket bullet in which a tough heavy jacket covers all but the base whereas the soft metal interior is exposed. The tough jacket may be made of steel, copper, nickel and zinc. The semi-jacketed bullet is provided with relatively thin but tough jacket which covers the base and the cylinder portion of the bullet, leaving the nose partly or fully exposed. A dum-dum bullet is open at the base and has the point covered with the jacket. When it strikes an object, the lead at the point expands or mushroom and produces a large hole. Expanding dum-dum bullets, where the tip of the jacket is cut off, fragment extensive wounds will be ragged margins. They are not in use. Tangible bullets completely disintegrate. A bullet with a hole in the point is called hollow point or express bullet. Explosive bullets. If explosive bullets are present in the body, ultrasound or microdiagnostic technique must be avoided as they can cause the projectile to detonate. The exploding bullet is of various types. The wounds produced is larger than the usual. If the missile explodes, there is greater fragmentation of the bullet and increased destruction of the tissue. The pathologist should wear goggles and use long-handled instruments to manipulate the missile during surgical operation or autopsy, as they are vulnerable to detonation of explosive missiles. The removed bullet should be handled with long rubber-covered forceps and kept in a padded container to protect it from excess impact, vibration, and heat. Plastic bullet. Better known, plastic bullet is a solid cylinder of polyvinyl chloride 13 mm in diameter, 10 cm long, weighing 135 grams if fired from a smooth bore weapon and is effective up to 50 to 70 meters. They are used to control the riot. It should not be fired at a person under 20-meter range. It causes bruising and pain, fracture of skull, eye damage, fracture of ribs, limbs, and contusion of liver, lung, spleen. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.